Yeah, I'm fine. What are you talking about?
What about the others?
Yes, they're fine. What's wrong with you guys?
Are you sure they're okay?
Jesus, yes, I was just out there. Come on. What?
Oh, God!
Is that?
I think it's your pal, Steve.
What are you doing? This is no time to be